Hello teacher, my name is Lady Tucha.
Good morning. I am staying at the Seaside Hotel. Could you tell me about the business center? I need to hold a meeting.
Good morning, sir. Our business center is available. It is located on the fifth floor near the conference room.
Great. What facilities do you have here?
We have computer, Wi-Fi, a printer, a fax machine, and a photocopier.
That sounds good. Do you offer any other service?
Yes, we provide multilingual concierge, portal service, secret stereo help, and translation service.
Is there any fee to use the business center?
Other basic facilities are free, but fees apply for specialized service like translations or secret stereo help.
Okay, what are the opening hours?
It's open from 8 a.m. to 9 p.m. every day.
How can I access it?
You just need to request access in advance at the front desk.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much. You are welcome. Goodbye.